How to create a tracking code in Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a tool that helps you track things on your website or app like clicks, button taps, and other user actions. So let's see how to create your tracking code. First, go to the Google Tag Manager website. On the site, you'll need to enter the required details to create a new account. You need to click the Create button on the right side of the screen to start the process. Next, type your account name in the account name field. Next, choose your country from the list. You can also choose whether you want to share data anonymously or not. In the Container Setup section, enter your website's URL or domain name. Select the platform you want to use based on the site or app you're adding. After that, click the Create button. You'll be shown the terms and conditions, so go ahead and accept them. And that's it. You've successfully created your Google Tag Manager tracking code. You can now add this code into the header and body sections of your website to start tracking user activity. With this, we've reached the end of the tutorial. Please like, share, and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.